How to turn off auto download using mobile data on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download using mobile data on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find this one, storage and data, and then just click this one when using mobile data, and just turn everything off and click OK. And now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.